everyone, welcome back to my garden. Come, let's harvest mulberries with me. So today I'm harvesting mulberries from my garden. And here's a little tip. Always pick the dark colored ones, like these. They are fully ripe, super sweet and ready to eat. Do you see the red ones? Yeah, they might look tempting, but they are still not ready. So I'm leaving them on the tree for a few more days. They will ripen beautifully for my next harvest. There's something so calming about this. Just standing here, picking fresh fruits straight from nature. No chemicals, no store-bought taste. Just pure, simple sweetness. Would you try growing your own fruits at home? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And stay tuned for more harvesting and gardening videos.